Sugar and permanent tooth decay. Every time you eat sugar, you get temporary tooth decay that your mouth naturally repairs. So what is permanent tooth decay? This is tooth decay that goes through enamel into dentine and the pulp. So how does permanent tooth decay develop? There are two ways. The first way is long sugar intake, meaning more time consuming sugar. Sugar is converted into acid by bacteria to make acid holes in the enamel. So the more time consuming sugar means acid is produced over more time. So if you ate sugar for 1 hour, you would get acid made continuously for 1 hour. So acid remains on the tooth for longer, so acid holes get deeper and deeper until it breaks through the enamel wall. So as an example, someone has sugar. The sugar is made into acid, and the acid makes an acid hole. But here, the sugar is being eaten for hours, so bacteria have a continuous supply of sugar that is made into acid. So the continuous attack with acid makes the acid hole deeper and deeper and deeper. Disaster! Decay has gone through the enamel and into dentine, so now it is permanent tooth decay. The second way to have permanent tooth decay is with many sugar intakes, and you have eaten sugar soon after a previous sugar intake, so saliva is not given time to repair these acid holes. So again, someone has sugar and in the mouth is made into acid, which causes acid holes on the enamel. The person has stopped eating sugar and saliva is removing this acid. So the acid damage stops. Only after the acid is removed, now saliva can repair the acid holes. But if you eat sugar again to make acid before saliva has had time to repair these acid holes, so in your mouth you have another attack with acid to make the acid hole deeper, and after a short while you have another sugar intake, so the acid hole gets deeper and deeper. Disaster! Decay has gone through the enamel and into dentine, so now it is permanent tooth decay. Here is a summary. There are more videos on tooth decay.